Hey you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. You want to see what I made? Okay, I'll show you. So, ta-da! I made this little hat. A girl at work is going to be having a baby in December, and I'm going to her baby shower next week. Not this weekend coming, but next weekend. So I made this cute little hat. It's got little cat ears. Cute. And I started off by making this sweater. You cute. Okay, pretend there's a button there. The cute. And it's got a hood. Now the hood, I ran out of yarn, but that's okay. Look. I added the white yarn, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. How's that look? So isn't this snuggly? This is supposed to be for a newborn size, but to me, in my eyes, this is quite big actually. I'm used to in our family, it's like 6-pound babies, but I know nowadays everybody's having 8-pound babies, so this might be a newborn for nowadays standards. So there she is, cute. I will, if I remember, I will link whose tutorials I followed. This and this one are the from the one person. Yeah, and I wasn't going to add the ears to the hood because I thought, well, the hat's already got the ears to it, right? So yeah, cute, 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 cute. And well, actually what started me off was, this, I have to still finish this, but this is like a little snuggly. And this, I still have to attach the head. So where are you guys? So there you go. It's a button. Now, look at that. This is where I got to redo the eyes. And I had black yarn in. And I had to pull it out to redo my eyes. So I have to still pick out you can see there's still some bits of black yarn in there. So once I attach the bunny head, whoops, I'm stuck here. Gotta attach the bunny head. And there you go. There's a little bunny lovey. Cute. It's cute. Cute and snuggly. So the yarn I'm using is FLUTTERBY Chunky by James C. Brett. This is the yarn. This is the yarn that I got. Did I show you guys? Wait, where are you guys? I don't know where you guys are. Are you there? Can you see me? Can you see me now? Look, guys, look. Okay, it's FLUTTERBY Chunky, and that's the yarn that I got when I went to Wales to visit my daughter and son-in-law and grandbabies. So it's this nice, what is it? It's 100% super soft polyester yarn. Yeah, so that's what I used. And I got more stuffing from Michael's. Oh, I got my sister. She lives closer to Peterborough than I do. I said, can you go to Michael's for me and get me some, Polyfill? Well, it's like scratchy. I don't really like it. Another time when I started doing some amies, I don't know what I made. Oh, I don't know what I made. What did I make, guys? I made amies, some kind of amies, like a long time ago. And I got this yarn off, Polyfill off of Amazon. And it was really nice. This stuff here, let me see if I can, just give me a minute, guys. Sorry, should be more prepared. But this here stuff, like this here box, this here stuff, Fiberfill or whatever you call it. Look, and it's got a yucky color to it too. It's like gray or like it. I don't know if you can see it, but let me put it Whoops. Oh no, don't poke a hole in the hat. Let me put it up to you. Like, look at the color of it. Ugh. I don't know. And it's the feel of it is, bleh. I don't like the feeling of it. It's gross. It's very, it's coarse. It's very coarse. So anyway, I got a big box of that. I mean, nobody's going to really notice in the scheme of things, right? I mean, this is Gushy Soft because I'm using the Gushy Soft yarn, but yeah, I'm having trouble with my eyes. I kind of made the nose with the white thing there, but I've yanked these eyes out so much. So I'm going to go back. I know I did, I know, yeah, the eyes that ended up being on this, like I tried to make the, you know, sleepy eye thing, and I don't know what I was doing. And then I went, okay, screw it, I'll just make the round eyes. Well, these round eyes looked very demon-y. So I'm like, I'm not giving that to a baby with demon eyes. Bunny with these piercing demon eyes. So I'm going to go back and look at, there's several tutorials that I have saved in my playlist of how to make like the sleep, just the, you know, sleepy eye. And I have done it. I made some kind of lovey angel. It was an angel, and I made like the sleepy eye. So I have done it. I just have to get back on the ball again to do it. But yeah, these were super easy, guys, to do. Takes nothing to do, this one here. This one takes absolutely nothing to do. And I'm sure you can change your head. You can, you know, do this and then pop on what other kind of creature you want to put on it. Oh yeah, and I did have the thing down here too, but I tore that all out. Oh, because I went in there and out there, then back in there and popped out here. Anyway, I just erased the whole face and I shall start again. But yeah, I think this is going to be a cute little set. What do you think? Cute little sweater, the hooded sweater, and the lovey, and then the white little hat. I know maybe I should have done a cat to match, but oh well, it's a bunny. Yeah, what do y'all think? It's squishy soft. Touch it. Touch it. So yeah, this is just a quick short video to say howdy y'all. And I will catch you all up later. I've been working like a horse because life guys. Yeah, so I will touch base with you hopefully again, but I had to get these shown, or if it's not today, I won't be showing. Okay, love you all. Bye.